Universal Studios Singapore Express passes that one of guests will be able to make walk away with, sharing with their family and friends, and sit you at selected rides. For those of you interested in these Universal Studios Singapore Express passes, they are available at the booths all right over there at guest services. All right now, before we go to part of the day, I'm looking for today's most loudest, most exuberant guests. So let me hear all of you scream. Perfect. For a chance to win these passes, I want to hear all of you make the most noise on my count. Are we ready? We'll be the two teams. Team A over there. For a chance to win this passes, let me hear your loudest, most exuberant scream. Wow, that's perfect. Beautiful. All right, now let's see how these people over there do. For a chance to win this passes, let me hear you scream. All right, one more time for a chance to win this Universal Express passes on screen on my count. 1, 2, 3. All right, sir, your best one is now, please. Universal Express passes. Give it up for me, please. All right, let's head back. I'd like to introduce the superstar family of today. They come with us here at Universal Studios Singapore, all the way from the Philippines. Hello there, come over here. All right, introduce yourselves. What's your name? All right, let's go together.